Hi, kindergarten friends. We are doing lesson 3 in our social studies packet. It's called Mapping Our Classroom. And we're going to learn about what maps of different places look like. And we're also going to be making a map of our own. It's going to be a fun day. I'm going to begin by reading this story to you called Mapping Places. A map is a picture of a place. Maps show us where to find places or things. Maps can show outdoor places like streets, mountains, and oceans. They can also show the inside of places like hospitals, malls, or even houses. You can see this is the kitchen, the den, one bedroom, a bathroom, and another bedroom. Most buildings have maps made to show people where to find places inside or how to escape in case of an emergency. This is the inside of a hospital, and it's showing you arrows to the exits. We have these in our classroom when we do a fire drill. We can make a map of just about any place. You can make a map of your house or even just your bedroom. That would be a fun activity. You can make a map of an entire school or even just your classroom. So you can see this is somebody's classroom, bookshelves, maybe the rug, the teacher's chair, more bookshelves. Maybe this is where she teaches, sits with the children and reads with them on those chairs or stools. And these look like the student desks and chairs. You can make a map of a playground or a park. Many maps tell what certain pictures on the map stand for. This is called a map key. The key shows what certain pictures on the map mean. Can you find all of these places? So the first one says building. Anything gray is a building. Grass. Anything green is grass. Trees are these circles. Water would be blue. Parking lots would be black. A store looks like this. So there's a store. There's a store. And a field looks like this where they would play soccer. That's a map key. Spelled the same way as a key to open the door. Can you find everything on this map key? So the red things are houses. There's a house. There's some houses. Oops. Off the page. Garages look like this. There's a garage. Stores are blue. Office buildings. Here's an office. Trees. So you see lots of trees. And a field. So a field would be a baseball field or the soccer field. Maps are fun and helpful. What would you like to make a map of? So this is a different key. These orange things are gas stations. These purple things are hospitals, restaurants, parking lots, and shopping is right here. This is also called a compass rose. It tells us north, south, east, and west on the map. So we know if we're going this way, we're going north because it's pointing to the top of the paper. All right, today I'm going to show you an activity, and then I'm going to let you go off and do this on your own. You have these two papers in your packet. You have the key and you have a blank page. So the key is telling us all the things we would find in our classroom map key. This would mean a door, window, desk, table, chair, cupboard or cabinet, rug, shelf, easel, cubbies where you put your backpacks, and a sink. Like Mrs. Sweeney's class doesn't have a sink, but some of you probably have a sink. So you're going to use this to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and start my classroom. My classroom, of course, won't look like Miss Edwards or Miss Devlin's or Miss Brockman's. So you'll have to think back and remember what your classroom looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my doors on my classroom. We have 2 doors. I guess we all have 2 doors. There's one of our doors, and here's another one of our doors. And then our cubbies run along this whole wall right here. So I'm going to get a purple, and I'm going to make this shape. This is the cubby shape right over here. So this whole wall is full of our cubbies. And then you can color those in so they look like the images on the map key. So we know that under this whole area between the 2 doors, we have cubbies. All right. Now when you walk in this door, this is the door we keep open all the time, boys and girls. Right over here we have some cabinets. And this says right here, cupboards. So we're going to use the brown. And we are going to draw those cabinets or cupboards right here. So this would be where we keep a lot of our supplies and paints and stickers and pipe cleaners. So this showing me that's a cupboard. Now right by the cupboard, right here, we have our easel. And it shows that it's a green